There's a lot of different ways to improve your smile. A lot of it will depend on, is it something that is an orthodontic problem? Your teeth are just not positioned well, but overall they look nice. They just need to be in a healthier position. Well, in that case, I think the ideal treatment would be to treat the problem, which is move them to a better position. We have options in our office using the Invisalign treatment. We have many orthodontists around us, and there are a lot of conservative treatments that they can do that don't even require the wires anymore. And we can straighten the teeth and get a nice smile that everybody is happy with. Sometimes the teeth just are discolored for reasons. Sometimes people, their lifestyle has caused their teeth to be discolored, and sometimes they're just born that way. And if that's the case and they're in relatively healthy position, we have things like the in-office whitening. If their teeth are so discolored that the whitening probably will not suffice, then we have some things like conservative porcelain veneers, which is like a thin porcelain laminate that we can put over the tops of the teeth that require very little tooth removal. They're still very conservative, but with that little shell of porcelain on the front, we can make the tooth look really nice and often achieve the color that the person would like. And then the other thing we can do is, often some people have maybe neglected their teeth, and maybe they've got some large cavities, or the teeth have been broken. There's different things going there. Sometimes they require a crown to adequately restore the tooth and also give it the aesthetics that they want. And that's just a porcelain cap that goes around the tooth and can protect it. And also with the porcelain, we can do some things artistically that will kind of give you the nice smile.